A great upsell for a lot of high-end clients often is makeup. But where do you find a makeup artist? How do you know if you can trust them? Today, we're going to talk about just that. Stay tuned. Welcome to FlashFilm Academy. My name is Ty Turner. I'm a creative director here at FlashFilm Media and a former Army combat photographer. And if this is your first time watching one of our videos, this channel is designed to help people like yourself turn your passion into profit. We like to use the term contentpreneurs. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you can be notified on our latest videos, and let's get to it. What's going on, contentpreneurs? I got another business tip for you. If you are a content creator and you're working with companies, often companies need makeup, especially for video production shoots. They need makeup. So who do you call if you need makeup? I don't know, a makeup artist. This is why I'm going to tell you to go on Facebook, go under makeup artist groups, go under acting groups, and find some makeup artists. Get you a few makeup artists you trust. Get some flat rates from them so you can resell their services. Get them a company shirt. Have them show up like they're part of your company to go do makeup on these video shoots. It's a great area for you to make a little profit and to keep local makeup artists working. It's a great way for them to make some money on the side and you to develop relationships with makeup artists. And it makes your business look that much greater to the client because you add value that the other guys they looked at couldn't offer. They didn't offer makeup. So make sure you go in these Facebook groups and you find talented MUAs. Preferably find someone that's had professional training. Preferably find someone that may work at a makeup counter. Preferably find someone who has experience in movie and interview style makeup. Develop that relationship with them and make sure that they are on speed dial. So it's something that you can offer to clients. And if they say yes, you already know what your profit margins are. You already have somebody you can call up and say, hey, are you free Tuesday? Here at FlashFilm Media, we use about 2 or 3 different makeup artists that we know and love. And we keep about 2 or 3 just for scheduling purposes. We get clients on Monday that want us to shoot on Wednesday sometime. And if they want makeup, I need to be able to call somebody to come along to shoot. Now, makeup artists may have a day job. They may work at a makeup counter. They may need more time off. So if you have multiple, you can run it by multiple people and the chances of somebody being available is greater. So that's just a quick tip, something to put in your back pocket, something to do to help you grow your business. All right, guys. Hey, if you learned something today, thumbs up. If you've been doing this, you know some makeup artists. If you're in an area and there's a lot of great makeup talent, post it in the comments. You grow when you help people grow. So post that stuff in the comments. If you've not subscribed, man, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. We are trying to grow this channel and bring you guys as much information as possible. All right, guys, I will see you next video. You ask and we deliver 18 sales contracts designed by content creators for content creators. I'm not talking about those one-size-fits-all contracts you find online. These contracts were specifically designed for your industry. Each contract has multiple clauses designed to protect your brand. Things like making sure the client understands that you have the ability to sell unused footage or images to stock sites. We're also releasing our 7 brochure-style proposal template pack for anyone that wants to improve sales by providing a professional proposal to clients, as well as our proven 5-part lead generation email sequence designed to go in code and produce leads that you can turn into new clients. We also included our objection template to help you overcome the most common objections. We offer this as a complete package or individual in an effort to help you turn your passion into profit. Visit FlashFilmAcademy.com.